Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys, let's take a look at the euro currency today. So yesterday we talked on the Great British Pound and suggested that market should continue to move higher since the momentum is really very strong. And yesterday indeed that has happened close to the evening or in morning in the United States. Great British Pound has shown the upward continuation. The overall retracement has become even smaller than was suggested. So not just these lows were valid, but market showing after some minor retracement here while we were talking about it yesterday, then closer to the opening of the United States session, you can see this upward action, so it stands very close to the target. But at the same time, nothing is clear yet. So today I have read some articles in the Reuters news, and nobody knows anything. So the negotiation stands in a very active, hot stage, but no signing has happened. It's not yet clear what really has changed in the positions of the United Kingdom, in position of the European Union. It's not clear yet whether this overall agreement will be approved and pushed through the Parliament. So it's also really big challenge. That's why we're still keeping our, let's call it as a culmination event that could happen once market will hit the OP target here. It will be a very important moment, and will not exclude that here will be some absolutely outstanding news could be released at this moment, and situation could change absolutely drastically if it will be something really absolutely surprising in comments. So because currently this is some rumors action, there's no facts yet on the market, and if these rumors will not be confirmed or will change, market will be really, it will be just miserable collapse on Great British Pound. So here we're still watching. On the euro currency, in general, market has completed our setup for Monday that we discussed in weekly report. Once OP has been hit on Friday, we said it probably should be some pullback. That will be opportunity to go long, and indeed success has happened very accurately. Now market stands in upward action. Today we need to manage the position that has been taken here, and actually we have two scenarios on the table. First scenario is market could just continue to move higher if it will be strong enough right to the XOP target, and that's 111 resistance. XOP stands 1136. Second, still market could show deeper retracement. Currently, as you can see, price is challenging with monthly pivot resistance one. So the conference resistance that was slightly lower has been broken, and actually here between this area and 111 market has no significant fib levels, but still it stands at the OP target, it stands at the monthly pivot resistance one, and still trying to break it up, but this hasn't happened yet. Why we think that this deeper retracement is possible? Because of the same large pattern that we discussed. So that is the pattern that we're talking about. So this could become left shoulder of the pattern, head, and right shoulder. So and as market has hit the OP, theoretically we have here got this triple to sell. It has completed minimum target because it already has hit the 30%, but it doesn't mean that it can't proceed lower right to the 10950 area. This will be the bottom of the right arm, and only after that it could show this upward continuation. This really could happen, but to be sure that the market is going on this way, we need to get here the clear confirmation that market can't break this top, so can't proceed higher. So if we'll take a look at the hourly chart, as you can see, our setup has been completed perfectly. We said conference support is an area where we intend to take position. So ABCD accurate drop has happened. Market has retested this previous top. Also mentioned that, if you remember, that was the consolidation that we talked about. So if you have taken the long position here, now it's time to manage your position. So market has shown the healthy pullback, And currently it's still some uncertainty whether the market will go up right here from here or not. That's why in the current circumstances, it would be better to grab some profit. So maybe 30%, maybe it will be 50% of the position. Move stops to break even on the rest of the position. That's the normal money management, because on any trade, your task is not trying to catch the big swing, big motion, but your task is to get profit and minimize your risk. If you will follow in this direction, your average position and statistically, you will get the positive result on your trading. So that's why in any trade, there is a point where you get some profit that maybe equals to the initial risk, or even better. You could take some profit on this position. On what part of your position you will try to do this, that is a personal decision, but usually this is 30%, 50% of the position, and then and move the stops to the break-even on the rest of the position. And in this case, you just could freely look what will happen. If market will continue to move higher to the XOP, well, you have the second half of your position, so you get the profit from it as well. If market starts dropping, well, no problem. You already have the half of the profit in your pocket. That is the managing of your position that stands you and turn the statistics in your advantage in any direction where market could follow. So, and that's actually all that we could say currently on the euro. We need to keep an eye on what will happen here. So currently, well, this upper direction here and this continuation, I wouldn't say that it's definitely market can't proceed high. So actually it is possible. And in general, if you'll take a look at the daily chart, well, theoretically, market could form the bullish reversals when hitting the XOP, then starting major retracement. In this case, the hand shoulders will be skewed a bit on the right side. Currently, it's skewed a bit on the left side. Besides, currently, markets still keep tendency of the lower lows and lower highs, which is also important. So take a look at this top stands below this one. And the market will form the XOP and then turn 618 retracement. Well, that's also will be normal. And currently, that's the reason that why I would say that market definitely can't proceed higher. So theoretically, this is also is possible, and this is the reason why we offer you to manage your position in the way just how we have discussed.